Hey guys, I'm going to give a demo of an exercise that I'm building for my app Fretboard Academy, which will hopefully be online in about a month. So this is just a basic little quiz on the major and minor chord shapes. If you read the instructions, they say below you are given a root note, chord quality, and chord form. Highlight the notes in this chord and then click submit. It's asking me for an A minor D form, and you'll notice that the root note of this chord is already highlighted on the fretboard. So my job is to click the notes in this chord and then click submit. And you'll notice that it tells me that I got it correct, and it also increments my score. I click next, it clears out the fretboard and generates another chord. This time it's asking me for a B major G form. I'm going to click some notes, the wrong notes, and then click submit. Well, it tells me that I got it wrong, but it also shows me the notes in this chord, the correct notes over here in red. Now let's say that I have no idea where the chord is. I have no idea how to make the chord. Well, I can use my interface over here to find the chord. So as an example of what I'm talking about, it's asking me for B major D form. I'm going to come over on the circle of fifths and click the key of B. And what this will do is, first of all, it will highlight all the notes on the fretboard that belong to the key of B. It'll also tell me what these notes are in this table up here and tell me which chords correspond to these notes here in the harmony row. So I want B major. I click this block that says B major, and it gives me a drop down, and this drop down now will give me the option to display any chord in the key of B that starts with the note B. And in this case, we want to see B major D form, so I've already highlighted the major type D form. We'll select that, and then it gives me the position where I can make this chord. So I click here, and it displays the notes in the chord. So I'll click those notes, click submit, and it tells me that I got it correct and it increments my score. So that's the basics of this exercise. The idea is that when you very first begin the program, you'll learn about you'll eventually learn about what chords are and how chords are constructed from scales, and you'll start to take this exercise. And then at first it'll just ask you, basic major and minor chord types like this. But as you progress throughout the program, you'll eventually learn about every kind of chord that you can possibly make, and you will be quizzed on it, and you will have to answer, you'll have to show each of those chords hundreds of times, and by the end you will know every single chord by heart. In an instant you'll be able to show any chord that there is. At least that's the idea. Hope you guys enjoy. Thanks.